good quality sunglasses are made of polarides are preferred over ordinary colored glasses. Explain why. Second part of the question. How is a plain polarized light defined? Third part. A beam of plain polarized light is passed through a polaride. Show graphically variations of the intensity of the transmitted light with angle of rotation of the polaride. We'll see the first part of the question. The answer is polarized glasses are preferred over colored sunglasses because they reduce the intensity of the light. Okay, compared to the sunglasses, the polarized sunglasses are preferred because they reduce the intensity of the light. Second part, light in which vibrations of electric field vector are restricted to one plane containing directions of propagation. And third one is, so this is the graph. You can see the intensity of the transmitted light with the angle of rotation of the period. Okay, the y-axis indicates the intensity of the transmitted light and the x-axis is the angle of rotation.